first things first, the carbohydrate, for example potato, gets put into the mouth and gets chewed up. As this is happening, there is salivary amylase, which is the enzymes contained in the saliva that is breaking down the food even more. Okay? This is the process of hydrolysis, which is the splitting of bonds with water. However, it is likely that we do not chew long enough for the salivary amylase to have a significant effect. Having that said, the carbohydrate gets swallowed and goes down the esophagus fairly intact. As it gets to the stomach, the salivary amylase doesn't have a huge effect on, as the stomach has an environment that is too acidic for the enzyme to keep working, so the carbohydrate goes past the stomach and towards the small intestine. It is met with pancreatic amylase. This continues to break down the starch into maltose. Any remaining sugar is broken down and digestion is completed with the help of brush border enzymes. These enzymes are found on the microvilli of the small intestines. As for the carbohydrates that have been hydrolyzed into their smallest form of monosaccharides, they can be absorbed out of the digestive system and into the bloodstream. The digested sugars are passed into the microvilli of the small intestine, which then passes through the walls and starts traveling through the bloodstream. Once it starts traveling through the blood, it takes a quick detour to the liver. This is so that it can get cleaned out, but then it gets sent out into the bloodstream to get absorbed into the body cells. And that is the digestion of carbohydrates.